Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Today I'm going to cover an app that I have to admit I never thought about covering because I figured it was a gimme that at some point we had covered it already on Screencasts Online. However, when I was using it the other day and checked out the website for a video on it, there wasn't one. So I thought, right, this is made for me to do. Now most of you know I love my music and I use Shazam daily. It's even one of the main complications on my watch. It's that important to me. So what does Shazam do? Well, it listens for music that's playing and then it retrieves the artist and title information for you and lets you add it to your Apple Music or Spotify library. It's that simple. And as Apple acquired Shazam back in 2018, it's naturally very easy to use. So let's see it in action. Now I've downloaded Shazam to my screencasting phone here. It's free of charge. There is nothing to pay for it. And I'll tap it to open. And down here, I'll just point you to an informational message that just talks about your data and how it's managed. Because Shazam, of course, needs access to your microphone to pick up the music, and then it sends and receives that data. Now you can tap here to look at exactly how your data's managed. Now I'm going to click on continue though. And here we have our main Shazam screen. Now at the top, you'll see a pulsing Shazam button that, when you press it, will listen out for music and then send you that result, which of course we're going to see very soon. And then below that, there's a button to allow you to donate some money to support families affected by the Ukraine war. Then right at the bottom, I can tap here. And this brings up a history of Shazams that you've made. Now a pop-up window has appeared automatically at the bottom, asking if we'd like to automatically synchronize our Shazams to a playlist in Apple Music. Now I am going to want to do this because I do find it useful, but not just yet. I'll show you where to enable this in the settings. So I will just close this. And we can see here we have a list of the individual titles I have Shazammed in the past. And if I scroll, there I can see recommendations based on those Shazams that I've made. And these were of course useful if you only Shazam music that you like. Quite often I might find myself Shazamming a song that Amelia says, "Daddy, who sings this?" And then I suddenly find albums like the My Little Pony movie recommended. But by and large, I do like these recommendations that we have here. Okay, I'll scroll back up and I can tap on Shazams here, where we can see an individual listing of them is provided. And I can play them on here or tap on the Apple Music button on each one to open the track in Apple Music. Now, if I do have a lot of Shazams here, I can swipe down a little bit and we can see there's a hidden search box where I can type to find a historic Shazam that I've made if I need to. Now I'm going to cancel and come back, and then back again, so that we can see how Shazam captures a song. Now to do this, I'm going to just reach across and tap play on my HomePod, then tap Shazam, grant microphone access. Okay, that's captured. I'll reach back over to stop. That's been captured perfectly. It was indeed the Yeah 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 song by the Flaming Lips. And it now loads into a page that shows information on the song. It autoplays a video in the background. And I'll scroll down so we can take a look at what we have here. So I can tap on Apple Music to open the song in Apple Music. Now I don't have a Spotify account anymore. However, you can do this with Spotify as well. You just need to connect your Spotify account in the settings page for the app. And I'll show you where that is later. But that will disconnect your app from Apple Music though. You can only be connected to one music service at a time. But this is the song in Apple Music, and that is indeed the album that the song is part of. So I'll tap to come back to Shazam. And if I tap open, it will open in the app that you have connected, so Apple Music or Spotify. So incredibly similar to that previous button. So I'll just go back. In fact, let me just swipe into Shazam from here. That's better. And then if I tap add to, it will add this track into a playlist in my library. Now I need to grant access for this, of course. And then when I have my Apple Music playlists appear and I can tap one of those, and it's added, and I'm taken back to the previous page with a notification that confirms that.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone. and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.